Getting desired gear combination is Lambretta is not easy, but possible. Let us have a look. Particularly in India, getting the gears and the gear clusters for the desired combination of gears is very difficult. But somewhat I managed the different gears and gear clusters from the different places of India. Well, because I am going to take the trials on road along with these different gear combinations. Along with the gear combination for the racing purpose and for the better riding, the ignition plays very important role, and the modifications in the engine, including the cylinder bore and as well as the exhaust. In this video, we will see about the Lambretta close gear ratio gears. All these are the gears. This is the engine and all these are gears. This is the cluster, close gear ratio cluster. We will see this is Lambretta GP200 and these two are the Lee 150. This is very interesting gear cluster for the close gear ratio. This is the cluster. If you count the teeth, this is close gear ratio gear cluster, and this is Lambretta GP 200 gear cluster. We will check this later. Now we will check about this. Now the first gear, see, you can count them: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Same as Lee 150. This is 18, like this: 11, 13, 16 and 18. This is same as Lee 150. This is same as the first gear is same as Lee 150 on the cluster, but on the lay shaft it is not 50, it is 51 of teeth. You can count it. That is the first thing. And this is 13 teeth. You can count them on the cluster. 13 teeth on the cluster. But the gear is of second gear of Lambretta Lee 150. Remaining two, this is 16 and this is 18. First teeth on the cluster are same as Lee 150, but the gear is of 51 tooth, not Lee. This is 1 point, and second one must be 14, but whereas in this is 13 teeth. You can count them. This gear 13 teeth. When you place, this is little bit confusing. First put the bearing. And this one. Okay. After putting, check it. Yes. It must move freely. Now I am placing the fourth gear, 36 tooth. Again, this is 39 tooth. A big jump from 39 to 36. 41 tooth. Second gear. 51 teeth. First gear. When you calculate the percentage and you remove the first gear, from first gear to the second gear, that means from here to the second gear the raising percentage is near about 53, because the teeth on the first gear has been increased. See, remember, sometimes you have to make your own parts to match this. This is the second. 51. This is not related to close gear ratio. Why? Because one tooth is differing, and this is 41. Again I am saying 51, 51 teeth, 41 teeth, 39 and 36. And this is the gear cluster, as I earlier said, 11, 13, 16 and 18. I hope this video is informative and useful. Let us meet again.